What's up guys? So a lot of you were asking for LUTs and color grades for video, and especially for orange and teal color grades. So I went about and created this one for you guys, and as you can see we're just turning on and off the LUT here, and we've brought it down to about 67% strength. So no other adjustments, and it's looking pretty good. So it works pretty well on just about every shot we have here. Just turning on and off the LUT. So I'm pretty happy with this. I don't have to do much after applying it. So if you guys like this, I'll make it available on my store. And yeah, you can expect a lot more LUTs coming out like this. And yeah, more Lightroom tutorials coming. And I'll catch you in the next one.